Hi everyone, I'm Allie with Potomac Beads, and in this spotlight I want to do kind of an unpacking. So we've actually had these for a little bit of time, but I thought it was nice to kind of put them together as a kit and introduce the new colors of 2019 that Miyuki came out with. So every year Miyuki comes out with a new line, and the Miyuki line usually is a different kind of finish or a different coating, and this year they came out with a total of, I think it's 18 new colors of Duracoat Opaque. So we actually sell these individually, but then we also have a kit available so that if you want to get your hands on all of these beautiful Duracoat Opaque colors, you can. Then we have a list that comes in the little kit of all the different new colors. They range in DB 2351 down to 2368, which is going to be kind of the color numbers and the different color names that go along with them. Keep in mind, again, just like all Miyuki, look at the color numbers, those 4 digits DB number, which is going to stand for Delica bead, before actually looking at the names. Some different manufacturers or some different suppliers are going to sell them as different names. We go with the names that Miyuki does. So they have opaque French vanilla, orange rust, raspberry, red barn, grape purple, ocean spray, army green, spruce green, violet blue, dark purple, soft pink, off-white, antique white, Navajo white, ash gray, soft gray, slate gray, and charcoal gray. Now you may think and be looking at all of these colors as we do this little kind of unboxing here. They are a beautiful range of rainbow colors. They're in those kind of nice, solid, they really could work all together. There's that nice variety of these Duracoat Opaques. So the Duracoat Opaque means that they have a coating on top of them to get this color. That unlike some of the different colors of beads, this Duracoat Opaque is going to be a nice color that's going to stay, hence the Duracoat, on the actual glass bead. These are available in the Delica colors, and then usually they come out kind of in like colors with different numbers in the seed beads. And when you're looking at them, you get a beautiful range in color, a lot of gorgeous neutrals that I said kind of you can use all of these together. It's a beautiful, that barn brick red and kind of this orange rust color. Great combinations of colors that Miyuki came out with, really looking at the fashion line and kind of the colors of 2019 and creating that color line and numbers to go with them. We sell them individually again, and then also as a kit. I have, of course, my favorites kind of moving together, and Anna and I actually went over these kind of on one of the Facebook Lives, and I have all these colors that I'm just kind of ready to put together, and I keep moving around and arranging them and saying, okay, I'm going to do something with these 8 colors or with these 7 colors. They go so nicely together. I mean, Miyuki does a great job on that color selection and having them there. So if you hadn't had a chance yet to see these new colors of 2019, definitely check them out at PotomacBeads.com as well as PotomacBeads.eu for all of the great Delica options. They keep coming out with new ones, so we'll keep providing them for you, and it's helpful to check out all of those new Delicas at once. As always, if you need any of them, we'll put links below the video in the description as well for these awesome new Delica beads. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. You can give a little thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and get regular updates from us as well at Potomac Beads.